Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can open two WhatsApp in one phone. Let's get to it. Open your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll all the way down and you have to find advanced features. It's right here. Just click on advanced features. And there will be some options for you and you have to choose dual messenger. Alright, and because we want to open to WhatsApp, we have to click on WhatsApp. We have to choose WhatsApp and you have to click on this, this toggle button. You have to turn on the dual messenger of WhatsApp like this and click on install. And wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Alright, and now the second copy of WhatsApp has been installed in our Android phone, and let's check it together. Go to your home screen. Alright, and this is the copy of the WhatsApp that we have just installed. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, that's how we can open two WhatsApp in one phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.